Today I'd like to talk about filter change reminders. So in order to set up a filter change reminder, you can either do it to an existing appliance or you can create a new appliance with the filter information. I'll walk you through both. So we'll come here and press Add New, and we're going to add a new appliance. So we'll set up the appliance. We will choose an HVAC air handler. And we'll say that it's in the attic. And so for us to move forward, we don't actually have to have sensors. You can have a bunch of digital twins that have filter reminders. So we'll go to Connect Sensors, and we will hit Save and skip that. And you'll notice that the rest of the steps that are associated with sensor placement are all completed because they're no longer necessary. So we'll complete the appliance profile. We'll add appliance details. So we'll choose a manufacturer and a model, and we'll enter a serial number. This is all helpful because the homeowner will be able to have this information in case they need to claim a warranty or something else like that. And we're going to choose an installation date. I'm just going to choose 1 year before today and continue. And the appliance photos, we're going to skip those for now, but those are very helpful to allow homeowners to know exactly where sensors are placed if this is a connected appliance, or to allow service providers to know where sensors were placed previously or moved to. And here's the important part: appliance filters. So you can see here that there's no filters applied, and we'll hit this plus on the top right, and we will call this the HVAC main filter. And so here you can just manually put in the information about what filter this particular appliance needs. So I'm going to say it's a 2-inch by 24 by 8. And I'm going to say that the price, just based on a quick check that I did, was anywhere between $20 and $50. So we'll say it's $20. And we'll say that it needs to be changed every 6 months. Okay? And now this gives the homeowner a thank you, lets them know that we will be tracking their filter lifespan over time, and they can continue and now view this filter and see the relevant information about this particular filter, and they can edit a reminder. So the nice thing is they could order 6 of these, 10 of these filters, and then just get a reminder to change it every 6 months. And we will complete the appliance setup. So you can see now that we have 2 HVAC air handlers. If I were to go into this one, I can see the information about the air handler. And I can also go to the settings page and look at the appliance filter information. So again, I could see this here. I could edit it. If I had a digital twin that did not have appliance filter information, I could add it. So yep, that's pretty much it. And you can see when the filter replacement is required, even if it's a digital twin and not a monitored appliance. So we have 183 days, well, or the entire 6 months until this filter needs to be replaced. And that is the feature. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.